Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. This too shall pass. In Korea, beautiful spring is coming again. But spring will pass with falling flowers and the green summer will come again. Autumn will come when autumn leaves fall and winter will come with white snow. And spring will come again when beautiful flowers bloom again. Just as seasons spin and spin, so does our lives. 8 letters are calculated according to the information of the day of birth. But every year, new luck is involved. Luck that comes back every 10 years is involved. Therefore, if there is a current difficulty, it will not be with me for the rest of my life. If there is joy now, the joy does not last forever. If there is only one thing forever, it's the fact that nothing lasts forever. I want to pull myself together and thank you for the beautiful nature surrounding me. Thank you for the love of the people around me. You need a broad view, don't you? Today is a beautiful spring day. Given the beautiful morning hours, I start my day with gratitude to welcome Miracle Morning. Everyone who watches my videos, thanks and with happiness. May you live a life of a miracle. I wish you all the best. Thank you. Bye.